This tea bag organizer is your countertop's new best friend. With multiple compartments, it stores your favorite tea bags neatly and within easy reach. Whether you're into chamomile, green, or a bold breakfast blend, it keeps every option organized like a mini tea shop at home. Sleek, compact, and made of durable plastic, it's perfect for kitchens, break rooms, or your cozy tea nook. This Ease Clean Bottle Washer Pro is a total game changer for parents. It's an all-in-one washer, sterilizer, and dryer that handles bottles, pump parts, and all the tiny essentials, no hand scrubbing required. With powerful jets and high-temp steam, it zaps germs and leaves everything squeaky clean and baby-ready. Just load it, hit start, and boom, your bottles are ready to roll. This storage cabinet is built for tight spaces but big on function. Slide it right over the toilet or into a corner, and boom, you've got vertical storage with sleek style. With 2 doors, open shelves, and a hidden paper holder, it keeps your bathroom essentials neat, private, and totally within reach. Minimal footprint, maximum blow up. This pet grooming glove is a game changer for your furry friend's bath routine. With heat-resistant silicone and high-density teeth, it gently scrubs, massages, and desheds. No fuss, no flying fur. The 5-finger design means max control and happy pets. Whether you're bathing a fluffy cat or a wiggly dog, blue never looked so soothing. This 2-tier, 2-drawer makeup organizer keeps your bathroom countertop looking sleek, chic, and totally clutter-free. From perfumes to skincare, it fits the big bottles and the little luxuries with ease. The amber finish gives it that classy, high-end vibe, and it's so easy to install, it practically organizes itself. Give your vanity the glow-up it deserves. This rotating Stanley cup holder is the ultimate way to keep your 40 ounces tumblers in check. Whether you're repping one or a whole collection, this organizer stores them upright, easy to grab, and super aesthetic. It rotates 360 degrees like it's on display, because let's be real, your Stanley deserves to be seen. Sturdy, space-saving, and totally worthy. This soap dispensing dish brush makes scrubbing pots, pans, and dishes way less of a chore. With just a press, it releases soap directly where you need it. No mess, no waste. The ergonomic handle keeps your hands comfy, and the matching holder keeps it all neat and dry. It's stylish, practical, and ready to fight grime like a kitchen superhero. This razor blade scraper tool is your ultimate sidekick for removing stubborn stickers, labels, paint, and gunk from glass, stovetops, and more. It comes loaded with 40 blades, metal and plastic, so you're prepared for any surface without risking scratches. The ergonomic handle gives you serious grip and control, making cleanup quick, easy, and kinda satisfying. This faucet sprayer attachment set turns your kitchen sink into a power cleaning station. With a 79 inches recoil hose, pressurized water-saving aerator, and a smooth diverter valve, this thing brings pro-level rinsing to your daily dishes. From veggie washing to sink scrubbing, it's built for convenience and total flexibility. This large salad spinner with good grips makes rinsing and drying greens a total breeze. Just press the soft, non-slip pump and boom, your lettuce goes from soggy to salad ready in seconds. The brake button stops the spin on a dime, and the bowl's so sleek you'll want to serve straight out of it. This coffee mug warmer is the perfect desk companion for long workdays. With a sleek wood design and temperature display, you can easily keep your beverages at the ideal temp. It has an auto shut-off feature from 2 to 12 hours, so no worries about forgetting it on. Whether it's coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, your drink stays warm, just how you like it. This freestanding shoe cabinet with 3 flip drawers is the ultimate space saver for your entryway or hallway. The hidden storage design keeps shoes tucked away, making your space look organized and stylish. The sleek wood finish blends with any decor, and the flip drawers make it easy to access your shoes without the clutter. A perfect solution for keeping your entryway clean and tidy. This 13-piece drawer organizer set is the perfect way to declutter your drawers in style. With 5 different sized trays, it fits perfectly in your bedroom dresser, office, or kitchen. The non-slip silicone pads keep everything in place, whether you're organizing makeup, jewelry, utensils, or office supplies. Made from clear, durable plastic, it's easy to see exactly where everything is. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to effortless organization. This extendable baseboard cleaner tool makes cleaning a breeze. The long handle lets you reach baseboards, ceilings, walls, and floors without bending or straining. Equipped with 5 reusable pads, it's perfect for tackling dust and grime in every corner of your home, from the bathroom to the kitchen. The ergonomic handle and versatile design make it a must-have for quick and easy cleaning. Keep your home spotless with less effort. This sleek bladeless tower fan combines powerful air circulation with a HEPA filter for cleaner, fresher air in your bedroom, home, or office. With 9 adjustable speeds, a 90 degrees oscillation, and a remote control, you're in full control of your comfort. The 8-hour timer ensures energy efficiency, while its quiet operation keeps things peaceful. Whether it's hot summer days or just needing some fresh airflow, this fan has got you covered. This double-sided grooming brush is a game-changer for your furry friend. Designed to reduce shedding by 95%, it easily tackles mats and tangles, keeping your dog or cat's coat smooth and healthy. The extra-wide rake is perfect for all coat types, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfy grip while grooming. Say goodbye to loose fur all over your home and hello to a well-groomed, happy pet. This 3-layer sterilizer and dryer combo ensures your baby's bottles and breast pump accessories are sanitized and dried in no time. With fast sterilization and drying, it's perfect for busy parents. The touchscreen controls make it easy to use, while the auto-off feature brings peace of mind. Whether you're sterilizing bottles, pacifiers, or pump parts, this universal sterilizer has you covered. This automatic toilet bowl cleaner is a game-changer for bathroom maintenance. Just drop a tablet in your tank, and let the formula do the work, keeping your toilet clean and fresh with every flush. No more scrubbing or harsh chemicals, just a simple, mess-free way to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. It's time to upgrade your toilet care routine. This defrosting tray speeds up thawing by 50%, getting your frozen meats ready faster than ever. With airflow technology that preserves natural juices and nutrients, it keeps your food fresh and flavorful. The touch button interface and clear LCD timer make operation effortless, while its die-cast aluminum design and built-in generators tackle acid and odor buildup. Say goodbye to waiting around. This defrosting tray ensures your meals are always prepped and delicious. This bread maker transforms your kitchen into a bakery with 20 program menus and a big 2-pound capacity to feed the whole family. Dual heaters bake evenly with 360 degrees heat, and its ceramic non-stick pan ensures healthier, chemical-free baking. Enjoy fresh bread anytime with the delay timer and keep warm setting, all while the quiet motor keeps your kitchen peaceful. Complete with handy accessories, this bread machine makes baking homemade bread an everyday delight. This electric griddle is your ultimate kitchen companion, folding down for compact storage while saving up to 50% more space. The non-stick Evergood coating makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.